we're gonna head down the beach, way down the beach on the bike, and we're gonna look for shark's teeth today in these shells. And when we get further down to Palmetto Dunes on the end of the island, there'll be a lot more shells, and in these shells there's a lot of shark's teeth. And let's just show you a little bit about the bike. We've got front and back disc brakes. We have 21 gears. The power station is controlled here with a low, medium, and high battery assist. And if you don't want to pedal, you can just use the throttle like a motorcycle. Battery locks onto the bike so it can't be stolen. And what else? I put this extra seat on it. It has springs to make ride better, and then we have front and back springs here. I'll be your host today on beautiful Hilton Island, and no matter what your troubles or problems are today, God created this beautiful world for us to enjoy. And when I come out here, I forget all my problems, because this is what the Creator wanted us to do. Would to be enjoy life and appreciate the things of this beautiful world. And all these beautiful people are so nice here at Hilton. Everybody just wants to ride a bike with them. So let's get on our way. I hope you enjoy the ride.